بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Some of us will say, why is this happening? Right? And it's not an illegitimate question. The answer is in the Quran. Surah Al-An'am. وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَى أُمَمٍ مِّن قَبْلِكَ. And he's talking to Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. And he said, to nations before you, we have sent to them messengers. فَأَخَذْنَاهُمْ, we tested them. بِالْبَأْسَاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ. We tested them. بأساء is trials, tough ones. الضراء is diseases. And now you say, why? The answer is coming. لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَضَرَّعُونَ. So they will turn to Allah with humility. Dara'a is humility and asking Allah for forgiveness. And Ya Allah, please, I didn't mean it. I was weak. All these. Dara'a. What did they do? فَلَوْلَا إِذْ جَاءَهُمْ بَأْسُنَا تَضَرَّعُوا. When it touched them, when the test, the disease came, if they only submitted to me, تَضَرَّعُوا, asked for my forgiveness, humbleness. But what did they do? وَلَكِنْ قَسَتْ قُلُوبُهُمْ. Their hearts become even more harder. This is for all of us these days. This is what we need to learn. This is what we need to learn. You take all the precautions. Wash your hands. Rub it with alcohol. Stay home. Don't shake hands. Don't touch. Yes, but this will not work unless He wanted it to work. That's what I'm trying to share with everybody. And for Him to work, it's my job. I need to go back to Him. لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَضَرَّعُونَ. And then what happened? وَلَكِنْ قَسَتْ قُلُوبُهُمْ. Their hearts are hardened. وَزَيَّنَ لَهُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. Shaitan beautified to them what they are doing. What I'm doing, nothing. It's what I'm just looking at this. I just said it. I don't mean it. And then Allah says, فَلَمَّا نَسُوا مَا ذُكِّرُوا بِهِ. They forgot this. They didn't do it. And in case Shaitan comes to you and says, yeah, but then we had SARS and then it went away and nothing happened. What Allah says, فَلَمَّا نَسُوا مَا ذُكِّرُوا بِهِ فَتَحْنَا عَلَيْهِمْ أَبْوَابَ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ. We give them everything they want. They give them everything they want, and then أَخَذْنَاهُمْ بَغْتَةً. We'll take them suddenly. فَإِذَا هُمْ مُبْلِسُونَ. They're stunned. We don't want to get there. We don't want to get there. There's a lot of things happening in the last 3 weeks that most of us in this room, we've never seen it before. Never seen it before. Never, we will not allow to enter the haram or get close to the Kaaba. Right? This is a sign for everybody. Even Christians, they are not allowed now. Forget it. They cannot even get to Italy. Right? And now in Palestine also. This is everywhere. Everywhere. What I should do, I was like, okay, alhamdulillah, there's only one case in St. Louis. I don't have to worry about it. No. Because I don't want to be that Allah will take me suddenly. تضرعوا, turn back to Allah in your morning, in evening, in your sujood. Ask Allah for forgiveness and stay away from sins.